Before we get to packing your bag for your State Board Manicurist test, we are going to have to prep some of our supplies. So you'll need a lot of Ziploc bags. Here I'm showing how I use acetone to remove the label on the Ziploc bags so that I can have a cleaner finish when labeling them later. You're going to need a lot of Ziploc bags and a Sharpie because everything will need to be in bags and also be labeled. The hand sanitizer needs to be labeled, your hand mannequin, and all of your supplies. When packing for your test, we will divide all our supplies into 4 large Ziploc bags. So we can go ahead and grab the first Ziploc, which will be our workstation preparation bag. Each bag should also be labeled pre-sanitized. In this bag, we'll add paper towels, as well as barbicide wipes, our mannequin hand with 1 fingernail painted with regular polish, hand sanitizer, a bag of gloves, as well as our blood spill kit. In the blood spill kit, we will have a pair of gloves, gauze or cotton, alcohol swabs, and a Band-Aid. The last 2 things in our workstation preparation kit are going to be 2 large paper bags, one labeled single-use and another labeled multi-use. These will act as our trash cans during the test. Now that we've finished packing the workstation preparation bag, we can put this in our black duffel bag and move on to the next topic. Our second topic is the basic manicure. In this bag, we will pack a smaller Ziploc bag labeled pre-sanitized. This will contain files, buffers, orange wood sticks, cotton, a nail brush, cuticle nippers, a base coat, and clippers. Now I'm adding the pre-sanitized bag back into the basic manicure bag, and I'm going to grab a container labeled massage lotion. Now this should be actually filled with massage lotion. I just have them empty right now. Also, you're going to need to have 2 bottles of polish remover. These would also be filled with acetone. Also add some nail oil, our finger bath tray, and some soapy water. Next, I'm grabbing a barbicide container. This is just a mason jar that I printed out the label for barbicide online, and then I filled it with barbicide concentrate and water. Now I'm adding cuticle remover, 1 single-use and 1 multi-use Ziploc bag, as well as 2 clean white towels. Now we are finished with our basic manicure bag, and we'll move on to the nail tip application. For this topic area, we will need a pre-sanitized bag with 2 buffers, 2 files, 1 nail tip that is too large for the mannequin hand, and 2 nail tips that are the correct size. One of them is just a backup. I'll also add nail glue, a tiny pair of scissors, and then add that pre-sanitized bag to our larger bag. Next, we'll need our single-use and multi-use Ziploc bags, our 2 clean white towels, and then we are finished with the nail tip application bag. Our 4th topic area is nail enhancement using a form. In this pre-sanitized bag, we will need 2 files, a dab-and dish with a lid labeled nail liquid, and a dab-and dish labeled acrylic nail powder. We will also need to add the nail liquid and the nail powder. This is odorless acrylic. Now we'll grab our primer, 2 nail forms, 2 buffers, a nail brush, an orange wood stick, and an acrylic nail brush. Now add our pre-sanitized bag to our large bag, grab our 2 clean white towels, and our single-use and multi-use Ziploc bags. Now that our 4th topic area is done, we are going to add all of our bags to our large duffel bag. First, the nail enhancement bag will go in, and then the nail tip application, the basic manicure, and the workstation preparation. And this is how you pack your bags for the Michigan Manicurist State Board test.